yo guys, back on the YZ again. It's so much fun. And yeah, super excited for the new battery, because then now I'll have, this one will have more power, and then the Razor RSF will be back up and running. And I might get a new controller for it too. But yeah. Graphics on the bike, so nice. It completely turned the bike, like turned it into making it so nice. I'm happy that I did do that. Actually, I'm gonna turn around again, go to that alley. So, all right. I'm in mode 2 right now. I could still hit burnouts on this. See? But I'm gonna wait, because I'm gonna get an 11-tooth sprocket soon. But yeah. Yo, guys, so it's either, let me just do it anyway. So, I figured out that I could do donuts. Well, I figured out a while ago, but I'm starting to do it a lot, and yeah, my tires are gonna be gone soon. But look at, ready? See? Don't know if it's catching it. You see that? So much fun. But yeah. guys, go check out my website where I sell these dope razor kits to modify your bike. 72 volts, 48 volts, 3000 watts, 2000 watts. Go check it out. It'll be everything you need to modify your razor. So go check it out. And I'll put it up on the screen. Ben's electrified bike kits will be in the description and in my bio. Go check it out. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned.